In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader 5 MT5 in pocket option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to pocket option and sign into your account. Now, once you're over here in your account, go ahead and click onto profile. Once you're inside profile, we want to go ahead and click on the trading option on the top left hand corner of the page, and then from here we want to go ahead and click onto it. It says Forex MT5 real account. Now once you're doing this, you want to go ahead and go over to MT5 and get your login details. Once you got your login details, go ahead and click on this icon top left hand corner. We can see web terminal MT5. Then from here we'll say trading accounts, pro trade account. So we want to go ahead and connect to account. So from here, put in your login details, your password, make sure double check it's a pro trade MT5, and then click connect account. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and start trading. You'll now see pocket option balance instead of MT5. You can use MT5 features like advanced charts, technical indicators, market order, stop loss, and take profits. And trades placed in MT5 reflect in your pocket option account.